Hey guys, welcome again to Undiluted Tech. It's been a while since I put out a video, but today we are looking at the ASUS NUC 14 Pro because I guess Intel got tired of making their own computers and now ASUS took over. But what we're looking at here, it's a Intel Ultra 9 CPU and it has Intel Arc GPU which also has an AI boost. As you can see, they're promising you that. We've got two Thunderbolts, 4 ports with display ports 2.1 and 4 USBs. And then it comes equipped with Intel Wi-Fi 6E AX211 211, and it's the 2x2 with Bluetooth 5.3. The good thing about this thing, it's expandable up to 96 GB of DDR5 5600 sodium memory. And I guess we can open it up now. This video is just a short one. Just wanted to show you what's in here. So let's see what's inside. The box comes in, I guess this is like maybe 6 inches by 8 inches. And let's open it up. Cool design. I'm not so much a guy of a design, but there you go. It's like a cube, looking all pretty. And this is a unit itself. As you can see, it's almost like maybe 2 inches up, 2 inches tall. You get one 2.5 gigabit Ethernet. That's awesome. HDMI, two HDMI's, two Thunderbolts. This is for cooling. You got air right here. Power goes in there. And if you need to lock this down on a workstation or desk, there you go. Seems cooling is everywhere. You have USB-C, two USBs, power button, and more cooling on the ground. Small thing. We'll see what it does, but I'm not gonna try to open it up today, but we're just gonna see what's in here. The charging comes in here, and here you have your VESA plate. I guess you can mount it to your monitor, which is good. The only thing, I'm not keeping this one. This is for someone. And the good thing about this, the brick doesn't look that big. It's manageable. Yeah, that seems to be it. I'm glad they included the VESA mount, so you can put that behind your monitor and hook the thing back there. And I guess that's it, man. Cool design. I've already used, you guys seen the other videos that I've got, the other ones, the Intel NUCs, 11 to 12, not just 11 and 14, I don't remember. But yeah, that's it. You know what to do, guys. Like, share, and subscribe. I'm out, y'all.